let's get work for this solution, this problem. Big sketch mistake. You are practicing the ruffle in card cardistry. You start with the 26 red cards in one hand and 26 black cards in other hand and try to interrupt them perfectly, meaning the color alternates every card once you merge them into single 50 card decks. You need to build a machine that accepts a deck or card to automatically determine the size of card of your biggest mistake after the merge. Currently, it can interpret the card color. You need to write the algorithm. Okay. Okay. From this example, uh, we have input. Okay. Input will be array of letter B R is black and red. Okay, and then what we return is the number. So from the approach, I believe what we're going to do, we're going to return the length of cards with continue together. Let's say like this input, right? We have B B R B R. So this BR is like the max, the max one, not the length. I mean, when you count, if they are together, like after together, and which one is the max one. So let's see here. So that is my plan. This problem is to find the longest repeating sequence. The longest repeating sequence is the maximum length after counting the length of or the repeating sequence sequences. A counter should implement whatever a consecutive consecutive chord pair in the same color and conditionally update the maximum length. The counter should reset when they differ. Iterate through the text, giving list on input, and then we keep track of consecutive chords. In the previous chord, match with the current chord, then increment the counter, and then we reset in the chord B to red. Okay, return the max track. Okay, so what we're going to do, okay, so the chord will be always A and B though. Total will be 52 chords. So the time complexity will be O of 1 because we fix like 52 chords and then always never be empty array. That's what I get assume. But you can use that to ask in the interview question. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a max track. Okay, set to 1. That's what we're gonna keep compare with count track. I can say current track. Okay, and then also set to 1. And then we're going to iterate through the text array. Okay, but we're going to set from 1 and then we're gonna compare with the previous one. So I let in text dot length th and then increment I by 1. Okay, and then what we're going to do here, we're going to check if text at I is equal. It's like the same chord before. So we're going to use the text I minus 1 is meant the previous one. And then what we're going to do here, we're going to increment current track by 1. You know, if they're both equal, right? So like let's say like if they're the same, so we're going to increment x by 1. But we're going to reassign max track and then compare math.max this using math.max in JavaScript, and then we're going to check which one is the max, right, with current streak. And then else, what we're going to do here, we're going to compare. Otherwise, if they're not equal, right, we're going to set them to one. At the end, when we find the most max streak one, what we're going to return, we just return max streak. Okay. That's my approach and solution. I believe that should work. So let's go to run to see code. Okay, that's working. That's great. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.